once again. In this video, we are going to manage the group. So what we will do, we will try to write a um, uh, Golang code, and inside the Golang code, we will try to manage the user, and we will add a user in a group. I'm talking about Linux user in a group, and I will try to delete the user with the help of Golang script. Okay, and next thing, what I am going to do. So here I am not write the code. I already written the code, and I will try to explain that code. So here, what we will do, we are going to use the buff buff IO package, FMT package, OS, and OS exec package to execute the OX related things, and I will use the string package to handle the string operations. So what I will do, I will uh, we will we will take the input from the user, and we will store the input in std in. Okay, and based on that, we will try to perform the operations. We have two operations, like add the user to a group, and second one is the delete the user. Okay, so these are the operations we are going to perform in this video. So here, this is the code. So here I have defined like main package, and this is the import statement. Here we are going to use the bub.io package. The package bub.io implement the buffered input output is its wrap in IO reader and IO writer object to create the another object, and also implement the interface, but provides the buffering and some help from the textual input output format. And this is the format package, and this package FMT implements the formatted input output with the functions. Okay, and next one is our OS package. This package provides the platform independent interface to operating system functionality. And this is the package where we will try to run the external commands. This is the string package. String package implement the simple functions to manipulate the uh, Unicode strings. Okay, so this is our main function. Inside the main function, we written the logic. So what we are trying to do, we are creating a reader variable, and it will be take the uh, inputs from the stdos std in. Okay, so user will enter the inputs. So here we are asking to a user to enter the username which you want to add in a group. So here it will be take the username from the users, and next it will be try to. So after taking the inputs from the users, we will what we are doing, we are taking as a uh, like input as a string, and we are formatting the string, and because we are we are using the trim to the remove the white spaces when users in entering the inputs. Okay, and second, we are popping up the some options like do you want to add the users add to a group or delete the users. So based on the users input, we will perform the operations actions. So we will read the strings from the users which user is going to choose, and based on that we will perform the actions, and again we are going to remove the white spaces. And here is the switch statement. As we seen in previous videos we written the switch statement to create the users and delete the users. So if user is going to choose one, add the users in a group. So the first statement will be uh, like execute. If user is going to not going to add the users, if user is going to choose the second one, D, then it will be try to delete the users. And if user is not selecting A or D, then default one will be executed, that will be the invalid actions. So here you can see a case one we are calling the add user to group. Okay, so here this is the group, add user group. Here we are taking the uh, a parameter as a username and group name as a string, and we are returning the error only. Okay, and here we are after taking the inputs, we are running these commands. Okay, sudo user mod, and we are adding to the group, and this is the delete function, and here we are taking the username as a string and we are returning the error. So this is the two functions that we are calling to perform these operations. So let's see and try to run this code. Okay, for running the code, what I will do, let me clear the screen. I clear the screen, and here I will do go run manage group creation and deletion via the Golang username. So let's see what are the users available. Cat slash etc slash password, this is the command. In this file it restore the things. So we have user. Okay, username is new user. Let's see the new user id new user. Okay, so this is the user and this is the user id and this is the group id, and it belongs to new user only. Then I am going to uh, add this new user to the test2 group. For that, what I will do, here I'm going to pass new user. Okay, do you want to add the user to a group or delete the user? So I'm going to add the user in a group. It will be ask enter the group name. So here I'm going to use the group name called test2. Okay, you can see here as of now this user is belongs to only one group, that is the new user group. So here I am going to use new user to test2 user group. Okay, see, operation successful. If I am running the id again, it now it is the part of test2 user as well. Okay, and second, let me run once again, and the username is new user. I'm not going to select anyone. Let me press the C or any key. Okay, see, invalid action, please enter A to add the user to a group or D to delete the users. Okay, so these are the operations. Second one, let me try like new user. Okay, this time I want to delete the user. Okay, so I am pressing D. See, it will not cannot be deleted. The user group new user not removed because it is has another member. Okay, yeah, because it this group having two members, right? So it cannot be related. So this way our shell script will Python Golang script will be work. So we seen like how to perform the uh, user operations with the help of Golang. So thank you all. Thank you for watching. That's it in this video. In next video we will come with some new topic. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye.